When you open Scaffold Designer, you will always come to this screen. Going down the menus on the left, Open opens an existing drawing, Close All closes all drawings, New creates a new drawing which we'll talk about later, Recent opens any recent files. And the next menu takes you into Material Master. In here you will find all the materials you can use within the Scaffold Designer software. For today we're going to look at importing additional manufacturers' catalogues. Hit Additional Catalogues, and this will take you to our web page with the manufacturer's catalogues that can be downloaded. Select the manufacturer you wish to download and save the file. Once saved, select the location where the file was saved to. Pick the zip file and extract it. This will create an extracted XML file that can be imported into our Material Master. Back within the Material Master, select the Import Materials button. Now select the extracted XML file and open it. This will give you an option to replace existing materials or to combine them. In this example, we're going to replace them. This now updates our Material Master, and finally, we just need to save them. The next menu is our Help feature. Within here, we have 4 options. Activation Manager is where you initially enter your serial number and activate the software. You can also deactivate it from here. Automatic Updates looks for updates for the software, and Contact Us allows you to send a message direct to support. Avontus Assist opens up our website where all product information can be accessed online. From here we can browse through topics or search for specific topics using the search facility. We have advanced techniques which is well worth looking at, and while we're in the website I'd recommend going to the front page into Support and Blog. Here we can filter just our Scaffold Designer topics and see many extra articles and new features available within the software. The next menu are the options. Within here you can specify default base sizes, the material to be used, and the side bracket size. In bay levels you can specify the number of nodes to be used, the plank type, the toe board type, the guardrail type, the plan brace type, whether or not you want independent toe boards and guardrails at the ground level. Bay verticals allows you to specify the starter vertical, the default vertical, the jack height, and the number of sill boards you want to use. In the general options you can set the auto save time interval, how many backups are stored, and the show build completed notification. The 3D view options allow you to change the colours of the background and the line width and the line colour in the vector copy. In here you can also allow parts to be removed in the 3D view and whether or not you want to use the hardware acceleration. Finally, locations are the paths where files and settings are saved to. So back to the main screen, Scaffold Viewer opens the Scaffold Viewer software, and Exit will exit Scaffold Designer. Now we'll go back to New option. In here you can set the units you want to use, metric or US units, and also the units you want to display, the distance unit and the measured length unit. If you want to use Hackey, Octo or Safeway, you must remember to download the manufacturer's catalogues and import them into your Material Master as we showed earlier. In this example we're going to use the ring type, but it's the same principle for any system. So to start a new drawing we just hit the ring type. This will now open Scaffold Designer, and now we can start our project.